Hi guys, my name's Jose and I'm a member of Team 1, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use Storybird. Storybird is a really cool way that teachers can create stories of their own using other artists' artwork, so it's pretty cool. So as you guys see here, we're already on the home screen. What you guys would have to do is sign up for a free account, so you would sign up there, but since I already did that, in the login screen. So you obviously put your email and password here, and then you sign in. So once you're in the main home page, what you would do is look at the tabs at the top. There's classes, there's write, which is the most important feature. There's read, where you can read other stories that are created by other members. And there's courses that you can create for longer lesson plans. Like I said, write is going to be the most extensive one we are going to use. So we're going to go and start with art. So the first step is deciding what you want to write about. Therefore, looking at images. For example, if you want to write about running, you type running here. And you go down and you look at all the different types of artworks that there are. You would choose the one that you like. For example, I like this girl with the frog, so I'm going to choose her. And they're going to give you a bunch of images that you're going to be able to choose from to create all kinds of different stories, poems, and like really long chapter books. So if you want to view all the art of the artist, you go to view all, and you can see all the different kind of images that you would have to play with. But since I already saw them, I'm just going to go to use this art, and it'll take us to where we're going to create, and it's going to ask you whether you want a long book, a picture book, or a poem. You can do whichever one you want. I chose picture book because it's fun. It's not too long, but it's not too short too, so we're going to do that. So bam, it takes you right to the page where you're going to start creating your stuff. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose your cover. You can either do the classic landscape that there's here. You can choose different colors. You can also choose to where there's no image on the actual cover. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to title it The Girl and the Frog. Right, so you do this. And then you are done with that, and you go to your first page. So here is where you're actually going to type your story. For example, a girl and her best friend went for a run and a hop. So you would do that. You could add different commentary to it. You can, make it whatever you want to make it. So once you're done with the first page, what you're going to do is you're going to go to plus here. You're going to add a page, which we're going to do. And here you're going to be able to look at all the different images that you have. Sometimes you want to look at the images that are below here, and this obscures it. So you can also hit this button right over here, and that brings it down and bring it back up. So we're going to bring it down now just so look at the images and see what else we have. And look, I think I found a perfect picture that's going to go on my second page. So then you're going to drag it over there. You're going to drag it to the right and give you enough room to type. And then you can keep going with your story, saying something like, the frog asked the girl, what do you want to do? And so eventually what would happen is you would keep adding images and pages to this. And when you're all finished, you're going to go to save and exit, or you can pause it and come back to it by hitting save. But for our sake, we're going to say we're save and finish. I'll show you guys what a finished one looks like. So at this point, you can, like I said, either say that you're not finished yet and you want to go back, or that you are pretty much done and you want to choose this option right here. So you're going to go to publish. It's going to take you here, and it'll give you a couple links. So in order for you to download stuff here as an independent PDF, you have to earn points by writing, by reading, and doing stuff like that. But if you want to share it like this at this homepage where you can see it publicly, all you're going to do is go to share. You would send it to whoever you want via email. You could send them the code. Now, what I did earlier was I sent myself an email to a completely different email address and something that's not logged in, just to make sure it works out fine. And that's what I'm going to show you guys now. I'm going to show you what a finished story looks like. So this is the email people would get if you send them an email, and they would go to click to read. Once they do that, that's going to take them to the story. So this is my story that I wrote earlier. It's called Ella and Whitson. You navigate by pressing the buttons to the right and left. My story is about a magical owl who rewards children for doing good jobs and for learning about recycling, learning about wearing proper attire when it's cold, learning about taking turns, and being a good kid. So this is the way it looks. It's public. As you see, I'm not signed in, so anyone can do it. And yeah,